How to see who view your TikTok profile. Ever wondered who have been stalking checking your TikTok profile, whether it's potential or collaborators or fans or just curious viewers? TikTok allow you to see who has recently visited your profile. There's how you can check. Steps: open TikTok, go to your profile icon, click on this you see three profile view, this place here. Yeah, you see people have that view your profile. Yeah, this is it. That's it. So if you find this video interesting, please follow this YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.